Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about the product name is Azelastine nasal spray. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover Azelastine nasal spray uses, benefits, and you can say side effects, and how much time it will take, and or you can say how much time it will work after quitting this product. When you quit the product, how much time you will get benefits, and you should use this product or not, and what is the best remedy for you can say allergic treatment. Okay, home remedy. In this video we will talk about what is the best home remedy. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover these information, so keep watching this video. So first of all we are going to talk about what is the use of this spray. So generally this is the information like Azelastine nasal spray is used to provide relief from allergic symptoms. Let's suppose if you are facing any kind of allergy from a long time, or you have just started your allergy, and if you're facing any kind of allergy related to your nose like runny nose, sneezing, and any kind of runny nose allergy, and you can say dust allergy, if you have any issue then you can use this spray. Okay, this you can say nasal spray is used for these type of allergic symptoms. Okay, and if we talk about how this product work, the product work is very simple. This you can say histamine work by providing a chemical like histamine, and they have just provided you can say a you can say short term relief. Okay, allergic symptoms. Okay, and when you start taking this type of you can say spray, and the coating of the spray is prevent you from dust allergy and all, and the coating is you can say placed in your nose. Okay, so this is the basic working model of this type of spray. Now come to the main point. As you can see, side effects. What are the side effects of using this product? These are the common side effects of using this product, because each and every body is different, each and every person body is totally different, so you can't say okay each one person will get same side effects, but these are the common side effects like sore throat when you consume, or you can say when you spray this you can say nasal spray in your nose, some medicine will go in your throat and you will feel like your throat is sore. Okay, and we talk about the another one is nose pain or discomfort. When you use this product in your nose, you will feel some like you can say some type of irritation in your nose, and this is a very basic you can say side effect. Okay, and if we talk about this one, bitter taste in your mouth, because when you take this medicine, your medicine will go in your throat and you will feel like bitter taste in your mouth. And if we talk about the another one common side effect is nose pain and discomfort. So these are the basic you can say side effects, and there is no such type of side effect, more side effects available this type of product. And if we talk about the doses and how you can use this, the simple use of the product is only you can take this product and you can insert the tip of the product in your nose and spray only 1 or 2 times in a day. Okay, and simply do same noses, and both noses you can simply put your you can say nasal spray in your nose and spray it, and that's it. And if we talk about the dose is only 1 or 2 spray per nostril, and only 2 times per day. Okay, so these are the basic you can say working model and you can say uses of this product. And if we talk about the how much time it will work after quitting, let's suppose you quit this product and you are not using this product because you get lots of relief, and then how much time it will effective. So my dear friends, when you quit the product will you can say work for you only 2 or 3 months, and after 2 or 3 months you will face same type of issue, and if it will not work for you. Okay, and if we talk about the you should use this product or not, my dear friends, if you are facing so much issue related to your sneezing and you can say allergic problems, then you can use this product. This will really help you in for a you can say short term period, but it will really help you in you can say allergic symptoms. It will give you good relief. And if we talk about the you can say there is a home remedy. What is the home remedy? You can try the home remedy also. The best remedy for this kind of problem, that is you can say take a 1 spoon or you can say half tablespoon of salt, and take some black pepper, and you can say kali mirch in English, in Hindi, and you can take both items and you can boil some water, like half glass of water you can boil, and you can take this medicine. You can take it regularly and you will feel after you can say 10 to 15 days your all allergic symptoms will gone. Okay, so because I have provided this information you because from a you can say 2011 I am facing same type of issue, and by using this home remedy I can say you it's a very best home remedy for allergic treatment. Okay, so you can try this type of medicine and you can try this type of home remedy for your allergic symptoms. Okay, and if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you understand my some points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.